Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset Whirlpool fridge. So first of all, you need to locate the control panel. The control panel of the Whirlpool refrigerator can be found inside the fridge compartment. It's usually located at the top right hand side of the interior. So you need to turn off your fridge to reset your Whirlpool refrigerator. Turn off your unit by pressing and hold down its power button until all lights go out. Unplug your fridge from its electrical outlet and wait around 5 minutes or so before plugging it back again. Now, after waiting for 5 minutes, plug in your fridge again and turn on its power button by pressing down until all lights come back on, and that's it. This way you will be able to easily reset your Whirlpool fridge. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.